Hi. So this is our platform, ForeignAdmits. As I've already discussed the business model, revenue model, and all other things, I just wanted to give you a demo. So this is one of the scholarship that we have launched. User can see the book called, value of mentorship, what are the services that we provide, how mentorship is needed, and then some of the mentors that are available. Student can see the mentor's profile, their help, and they can book a call. Some of the packages that we have for support for profile building, mentor guidance, and all. And then I can get some templates as a student, and then I can also see the blogs which are published. Okay, and then what is the process of work, and then the video. So this is a basic front end of the website. Okay, now I'll take you to the dashboard. So as a student, I can register as a student. I'll go in as a student. Okay, and this is my student dashboard. I can see the universities, the mentors, and the services are there on the platform. I can go here, build my profile. I can enter all my profile details, what kind of course I want to go for, what kind of college I want to go for, what do I want to study, what are my test scores. Okay, so this is first part. So once you build a profile, there's an also a service to upload the documents. I can go here, upload my SOP, essay, resume, LOR, and later on even I can apply to the universities with one touch. That is the future. This here a student can see all the services which are there. If I want to get a statement of purpose written, how can I help? And I can buy the service directly from here. I can click here and the platform will lead me to buy the service directly. Now I can go to the universities. Here I can select shortlist, filter. I can filter the universities based on the criterias. Okay, let's say this is the list. I can even shortlist the universities right now. Let's say these are the 3 universities I want to apply, or 4 universities, and I can see in my wish list these are the 4 to 6 universities that I've shortlisted in past. Okay, and I can even compare the universities. Let's say these are the 2 universities that I want to go, but I want to understand the prospects of it. I can click here. I can compare these 2 universities based on the fees, total applicants, and all. And later on, there will be a direct button like direct apply. I can directly apply to these universities. Then I'll come to the mentors. Ideally, I will have some mentors call if I'm paid for it, and I can go here, book mentor. Okay, I can see the mentor's profile here. The platform is still getting revamped, so there might be a little bit of design changes. So I can see if I'm going for business management, I can book this mentor. I can see the details of this profile of the mentor. So this mentor is from EdTech Business School, is studying business management. Okay, I can see his profile journey. Okay, his score in IELTS is 8. So I can get a guidance. I can see these are the slots available. 10:30 a.m. I can confirm the slot, enter my questions as, let's say, guidance, attach the document, and I can proceed to payment from here. The moment I'll click here, I'll be asked 1100 rupees. Okay, so this is the mentor part. Now I can go, as I said, there's an upload document. It also has a version control. So however I'm updating my SOP and uploading the next SOP, it will show that which is the latest version of the SOP that I have. Then this is one of the interesting tool that we have. It's for the people who are planning to shift their career from one field to another. So let's say I'm a civil engineer and I want to get into construction management. Okay, then I can check what are the skills, what are the salary difference will I be having, what are the new skills I need to learn, and what are the skills do I already have. Later on, it will also have an extension to what are the courses that I will be having. Then I have a compare salary tool where I can enter the course and I can enter 2 3 locations and I can compare the salary of each of the locations where the salaries are. Okay, then I can also see the registered events. If I have any event registered, I can go here, I can see what are the events that have happened, I can register for those events. Okay, and whatever services I've opted, I can see it. Later on, it will also have loan, visa, forex, and other services. That is one part of it. Then we have this interesting tool called skill matcher. Okay, where based on the 40 questions I can get the insights of the career choices that I can pursue. And then we have a scholarship finder. Based on your profile, I can shortlist the scholarships. Okay, what are the shortlist scholarships? I can see which scholarship is applicable at what dates. Okay, and I can easily apply to the scholarship. So this is the first version of the platform. Since I've already shown you the mentee side of it, basically the student side of it, now I'm going to show you the other side, the mentor side of it. So I can log in or register as a mentor. Here I'll sign in as a mentor. And these mentors could be international graduate, admission officers, university representative, alumni of the universities, even career counselors. Okay. So I can enter my profile details out here, which university I've studied from, what institute I've graduated, what is my major, what's my GRE, TOEFL score, what are the services that I can help a student with. Let's say I'm able to help a student with visa guidance. I'll add visa guidance here. My LinkedIn profile, how many hours can I devote per week or per month or temporary. Even if I'm not available, I can put it as temporarily available for now, unavailable. I can share my SOP, resume, LOR, so students can also see them and get a reference of it. I can share the scholarships which I've gotten. So it's basically like a LinkedIn profile, okay, for international students and admission officers, okay. And then also I can, you rate my university, which and all college I've studied. I can rate them here. I can go here. I can enter the rating, let's say, okay, and based on that I can just submit a rating. Okay, I'm just doing a temporary service. And then I can create my appointments similar to Calendly. See, one call is already pending for me. It's on 12th, to day after tomorrow, from here. And same will go with the candidate also. Okay. So I can also create a new appointment. So I have to basically go here, and for 28th March, if I'm creating it, so this is for big hours, I'll probably go it for, let's say, 11. And then here I would mm, go for 00. This is 11 and this is 11:59. Okay, and I've created the appointment. It has asked me for 1 week or one time. I can create this appointment here. So the appointment is created. Now I have another appointment on 28th. If I'm going to check it by month, I have another appointment on 28th of March, and it will be repeated